Welcome to 929. Today we're going to be cleaning my Toyota Tundra. We're going to be doing an exterior cleaning. We're going to be power washing, hand washing, cleaning the wheels, cleaning the bed, and the interior. Interior is a mess, as you can see. I will show you a detailed look. It's just a complete mess. The seats are dirty. Floor mats are dirty. It's just dirty everywhere. And the tools we're using: a power washer, a wax. This is for the exterior, so this kind of brush doesn't scratch the paint. This is the exterior water with this formula blend. It's a wax, and it cleans the outside and makes it really shiny. It kind of does the same as this, but this is more of a hand wash. This is more of an add into water. We are going to be using this and tough stuff for the interior, and we are going to be cleaning the wheels as well with these two brushes. Here we have our cloth, our microfiber cloth for the glass, and the exterior. After we wash, you can rub in the wax and do a dry rub with these. So I'll be washing the windows, interior windows and exterior windows with these, and the exterior paint with this. So this is what we've got today. I'm gonna start with the pressure washer, get the bed. I'm gonna get underneath the truck. I'm gonna get all of the exterior inside the wheel itself and the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brush, begin cleaning that exterior with the brush, and then we will do one more spray, and we can do a final wipe down with this. On the interior, we will start spraying the tough stuff and get to work in there as well. Alrighty guys, let's get it. Alrighty guys, she is washed. Water has arrived. So the outside was completely washed. So guys, the outside has been completely washed. Unfortunately, my battery died to my GoPro, but this will be part 1 to cleaning the Tundra. In this video, we just did the exterior. Next video, we're gonna do the interior. We're gonna do the wheels, and we're also gonna make slime so we can put it inside all the crevices in the truck and pull out all the gunk. It's gonna be amazing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, support, and share your thoughts below.